I'm going to show you how to execute a simple employee referral campaign using AI ChatGPT in a matter of seconds. Employee referrals are hands down the #1 way to find the highest quality new hires. In a survey done by Silk Road, 84% of hires made through referral were rated as A or B players by their supervisors. To top it off, it's one of the most cost-effective ways to find these people fast. It's virtually free. Traditional job advertisements are slow. They may or may not catch the right person. But leveraging employee referrals is a way to go straight from open job rec to message delivered to your ideal candidate in seconds from a credible source to top it off. It's one thing to have a recruiter reach out to somebody and say, hey, my boss is looking for a land survey crew chief. Would you be interested in talking to him? Versus another professional in their space saying, hey, we're looking to hire somebody just like you. If you're interested in exploring other opportunities, let's have a cup of coffee. The reason why many of us don't even do this is it takes constant follow-up and somebody's got to create the content. You've got to make it easy for your existing team members to spread the word about your amazing new opportunities. That's going to require you to create a number of social media posts, emails, flyers, and other content that they can share easily. Nobody's going to sit down and write a 2-paragraph email to promote an opportunity to their friends. They're too busy doing their job. Leverage AI, ChatGPT, let it do the work for you, and start promoting your opportunities through your existing network. Employee referrals are going to save your hiring process a ton of time and a ton of effort. Been working on a project for a crew chief for a land surveying company. It's the perfect job to be leveraging referrals. Why? Because it's super specialized. The opportunity to leverage employee referrals, especially in specialized talent pools, is enormous. Because those circles are so small, everybody knows somebody who does that job. The question is, how do you get the word out? Creating that content could take hours, weeks. Let AI make that easy for you. One of the keys to a good employee referral program is persistence. You don't just stand up in the team meeting and say, hey, does anybody know anybody who'd be qualified for this open position? That's gonna get you absolutely nowhere. First of all, they haven't thought about it. Second, I put the responsibility on them to craft a message and do the outreach. Make it easy for them. Here's how we created 4 really nice employee referral emails so I can send one every week reminding my team, hey, you know anybody? And if you do, all they gotta do is forward this message to their friend, previous colleague, classmate, whoever, and get a conversation started. I just made a simple prompt leveraging content that I've already created in this process. So if you haven't checked it out already, check out our video on creating job descriptions using AI, job advertisements, how we leveraged existing content from the company website to create all of these in a matter of seconds. This whole exercise has taken me literally 5 minutes. Here's my employee referral emails. Check them out. They're virtually turnkey. And if I craft my prompts carefully, I could make them 100% turnkey. I won't even have to insert links to the actual job post through my ATS. Literally insert the name and hit send. If you found this video helpful, check out the rest of our content on how we're leveraging AI to accelerate your hiring process, make better hiring decisions. In our next video, we're going to show you how to nurture candidates leveraging Discovered's awesome one-way video interview tools, transcriptions, automations throughout the hiring process. See you in the next video.